In this video, you'll learn how to create and install your custom AI Slack bot. This process involves navigating through Slack's interface to add the desired functionality to your workspace. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate a custom AI bot. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack application. Once there, look for the new message section, which is usually located at the top left corner of your Slack interface. Click on it to initiate the process of accessing the admin features. Next, locate and click on the admin option in the sidebar. This section allows you to manage various settings for your workspace, including integrations and app management. After clicking, you should see options related to workspace administration appear on your screen. After that, select Workspace Settings from the list of admin options. This will direct you to your workspace's configuration settings. You will recognize this screen by the various tabs and options available for managing your Slack workspace. Once this appears, find and click on Integrations. This section is where you can add new applications and manage existing ones. You should see a list of available integrations along with options to add new apps. Following this, click on Recommended Apps. This will lead you to a curated list of apps that Slack suggests for your workspace. You may need to scroll through the options to find the specific app you want to install. At this point, type in Claude in the search bar. This action will filter the list of recommended applications to show only those related to your search term. Look for the app in the results to confirm it is available for installation. Next, click on the app named Claude. This will bring you to the app's details page where you can review its features and permissions. Ensure that you read through the information provided to understand what the app can do for your workspace. Now click on the Install button. This action initiates the installation process for the app. After clicking, a confirmation message may appear, indicating that the installation is in progress. Wait for this process to complete as it may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the installation is completed, you will be redirected to a confirmation page. Here, click on Add to Slack to finalize the process. This step integrates the app into your Slack workspace, allowing you to start using it immediately. If you would like to try creating and installing your custom AI Slack bot, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This resource will provide additional guidance and support for your setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.